We're especially excited that the event is here in London. For us, that underlines what we've been saying for a long time, that there is a real goldmine of opportunity for Spanish investment. I feel that for the last few years, we've been on the cusp of a breakthrough moment, a milestone moment, the moment in which Spanish banks finally offload their debt.
I'm not extremely optimistic on the fact that there's going to be a lot of changes on the legal perspective in the next 12 months. I think there's clearly a big activity on the commercial side. Everyone is looking into Spain, and therefore that is developing new ways of doing things because more players are doing things. The big question to me is whether the regulation would eventually change in a way to benefit this type of deals.
In the next 4 months, needs for cash in the companies at the working capital level, no additional money probably from Spanish banks if they have already debt on those deals, not additional finance for international banks if they have debt on those deals. In some international lenders wanted to probably look for other opportunities in different markets, meaning the lending side.
For us as a distressed investor, but also a corporate investor, we look at downside protection and what can go wrong and how bad does it have to be for us to go wrong.
There's a lot of international interest in investing in Spain, and I think that's probably, it's at a greater level now than it has been in the last number of years, so I think that's probably a positive. I think some of the recent legislative changes have created some uncertainty, and I think they need, particularly for investors, they need to be able to price uncertainty, and I think at the moment they're not in a position to price it.
A few years ago there were 50 banks to lend to, now it's only five, maybe 10. So I think these firms are opening up to new sources of financing.